Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove Instagram account from your Facebook. So let's begin our video. So here you can see I just open my Facebook app and I select on the top right corner menu icon. After select, you just scroll down and select settings and privacy. After that, select settings and then select see more in account center, and then scroll down and select manage accounts. Right now this is your Instagram account, and if you just want to remove it, just select manage and then select move out, and then again select move account and select continue, and then you finish moving, select it. So right now here you can see it's loading, and after that you can see you successfully remove Instagram account from your Facebook app. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.